Okay, so if you're a new content creator, especially a vlogger, so you absolutely need these two things to get started. The first one is this tripod. Second thing is this wireless mic. So if you're going to shoot a vlog, you have to go outside. And when you go outside, there's lots of background sounds. Like, I'm sure you cannot hear it because I'm wearing a mic, but there's like lots of construction going on there. But since I have a mic, it drastically reduces the sound. So you definitely need a mic because people can watch a mediocre quality video, but they'll just skip if the audio quality is bad. And for that matter, I am shooting this video from my phone. Yeah, so I'm not invested in a camera right now. So this is the mic that I've got. This is the Crossbeats M02 wireless mic, and after doing a lots of research, I bought this. I got it for around 4,000 rupees. And yeah, so whichever mic you buy, you need a wireless mic because you see, I'm so far away from my phone, and you don't have any wire, so I can go even like further. I can go this far, but still you will hear me just fine. But if I had a wire mic, so that's just not possible, right? So yeah, I'll link this mic in the description. Believe me, I've done lots and lots of research about mics before buying this one, and I think this is really the best mic under like 4,000 rupees. If you're looking for, you can see this is how it looks from the inside. You have got one receiver, two transmitters. So if you're like me and you shoot alone, so you definitely need a selfie stick plus tripod, that I'm currently using it as a tripod. So you can see I don't need no hands, and so this thing is extremely useful. And you just snap on your phone here with this thing, and this is really strong, so your phone is not going anywhere. And yeah, you can adjust this by losing this nut here. So see, it goes back, then you can put it wherever you want. Adjust it according to your vertical or horizontal needs, and then yeah, then tie this up once again. So one major advantage about using the selfie stick is that you can see how wide angle you are getting. This is because I've extended the arm of the stick a little so that you can see this really wide view, and I don't have to see, my hands are like farthest it can reach is here, but with the selfie stick I can show you a much brighter view. So that's something really interesting. So one really interesting feature with these sticks are that it comes with a button. So if you are really far, I mean you cannot reach your camera to start the recording, so you can just connect it with your Bluetooth and with your phone and just press this button and it will start recording, and it works really well. That's really cool. So now let me show you some fake drone shot from the stick. Yes, you can do that. So now I'm using a gimbal to show you the 360 degree. Yeah, I'm not very good at it. So you can see the height of this thing. This is at the max height, and so I'm really short. I'm like 5'3" or 5'4". Okay, I'm 5'3", I know that. But so this might be around, if you do it like this, so this will go, your phone will come here. So this would be around 5'5", I guess. So you press one, it turns on a white light. You press twice. This is my favorite, it's a warm white. And plus if you like press for long, it will also increase the brightness. So this is at the max brightness. Then you press again, it's again a mixture of yellow and white, and once again then it turns off. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for this video. Both the products link are in the description, so make sure to purchase it from the link below.